panel of Democrats and Republicans who would sit down and hammer out concrete deficit reduction proposals by a certain deadline. Because we've heard plenty of talk and a lot of yelling on TV about it. The treaty also helped us reset our relations with Russia, which leads to concrete benefits. They're not focused on the concrete actions that will put people back to work right now. We need to see concrete actions to demonstrate that Assad is serious about giving up his chemical weapon. And we will continue to rally other countries to join us in making concrete commitments to fight this disease and enhance global health security for the long term.
Have given to President Obama concrete proposals.
We are taking concrete actions to change course. People of Zimbabwe need very concrete things. Schools that are reopened, a healthcare delivery system that can deal with issues like cholera or HIV/AIDS, an agricultural system that is able to feed its people. And Justice William Brennan once said that in order for government to ensure those rights for all its citizens, government officials must be attentive to the concrete human realities at stake in the decisions they make. Make a difference over time, both in terms of the political and security issues that I've discussed and in the areas that you have told us will make the most difference in people's lives. These consultations are helping us implement the partnerships that I called. So for those who question the character and cause of my nation, I ask you to look at the concrete actions we have taken in just 9 months. Iran must be prepared to cooperate fully and comprehensively with the IAEA to take concrete steps to create confidence and transparency in its nuclear program and to demonstrate that it is committed to establishing its peaceful intentions through meaningful dialogue and concrete actions. To put it simply, if Iran takes concrete steps and lives up to its obligations, there is a path towards a better relationship with the United States, increased integration for Iran within the international community, and a better future for all Iranians. Progress in the daily lives of the Palestinian people must be a critical part of a road to peace, and Israel must take concrete steps to enable such progress.